Hi, this is my Newton frog tank. It's, I think, 25 gallons. I'm not too sure. But I just have a quick setup. I just have my little huts for them. Of course, my filter. 2 plants. One fell down. They're both right there. A little sign that fell over. A little treasure box and that. And I have my frog right here. You can see him. Not sure where my Newt is. He likes to hide. There's a lot of hiding spots in here. So, yes, that's my tank. And I just have my light on for 12 hours a day. 12 hours, 12 on, 12 off. And this is my tank. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.